Hello, everybody, and welcome to this. My name is Judd Albring, and today I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels landing page. Now, I'm going to give you a couple tips and tricks on landing pages here inside of ClickFunnels, and then make sure you stick around to the end, guys. I do have a nice, awesome bonus for you guys, so you can grab that when we're done. But this is the dashboard here for ClickFunnels. This is actually the back end where you build your funnels. So you can see here I have lots of funnels. Some of these are active, some are not. Some are for myself, some are for clients. But ClickFunnels landing page, guys, is if you're not familiar with the landing page is really a place to capture leads, to grab their attention, to put your hook, to put your headline, and get them in the door, so to speak. But creating a ClickFunnels landing page is super easy. All you need to do is inside your ClickFunnels account, if you don't have an account, follow along with me. In the Add New button, it's very simple. Everything here is drag and drop, guys. I go to Create Funnels. Now, if I'm creating a basic landing page, even if I'm just selling a product or hosting a landing page for any of these, is primarily going to be the same, right? If I'm collecting emails, selling a product, hosting a webinar, I'm still wanting them to take action on the initial page, right? So my host webinar page would still be a landing page where the first part of the webinar funnel would be a landing page. And selling my product would probably be, hey, to get this discount, put your email in here, something along those lines. So we'll go with just the basic, but now understand this, that you can access any of the landing page templates I'm about to show you if you're selling a product or hosting a webinar, okay? But this just helps you set up the funnel for you, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So ClickFunnels is automatically going to populate a two-step funnel for me. Okay, it knows that my main goal is to collect emails. Okay, so now it gives me my opt-in and my thank you. So if I'm driving ads from Facebook or Google or wherever, I want them to come to my landing page, which is my opt-in. And then after they opt in, they're going to go to the thank you. And on the thank you is where obviously I'm going to thank them for the product or for their email. But then that might be where I'm giving them a download or a free ebook or a free video series or a discount or a coupon code. So that's how they would access it. They need to go to my landing page here and opt in order to go to my thank you page and get the lead magnet. Okay, typically that's how it works. So with a landing page, and what really separates ClickFunnels apart is building out the funnels and taking people through, different various sequences. So whether it's to sell them, to upsell them, to downsell them, webinar, membership, other landing page builders, right? It's more about, we're going to have a pretty page that people are going to like to come see. Well, I'll be honest with you that most of my pages that are just text with a plain background perform a lot better than my fancy ones, as you can see here. These still do well, but the real simple ones like this one, and even this one have performed very, very well. So when you're here in opt-in, you're just going to go to opt-in, right? And these are all my landing pages templates, but when you scroll down, and if you're brand new, you're probably going to start with this first row here, and these are all the ClickFunnels landing pages. And you can access any of them from here. Okay, and what's really cool is, I'll just do this basic one here, is it's already set up for you. The opt-in form is set up for you. The only thing you need to do on your landing page is connect your autoresponder, and that's as simple as going to the settings, integrations, and then selecting your autoresponder. In my case, it's Active Campaign. I choose my list, and then I add it to my list. I'm integrated. So now, if I save this, right, and I preview it, there you go. That's my opt-in funnel, or my landing page, right? So not to confuse people, right? This is the ClickFunnels landing page, right? As is built a landing page, but the opt-in is the step in the funnel, okay? And that's how you create a ClickFunnels landing page. And now let me give you guys just one more bonus tip, is in ClickFunnels, you can go to what's called the Funnel Marketplace, and you can get tons of free templates. So I go to Shop Templates, I go to top rated, and I like to search low to high. There we go. Thank you. And you can see here I have all these. Now, these are all full funnels, but I can take the landing page and delete the rest of the funnel if I want. But if you see here, I can go to just miscellaneous, right? Opt-ins, price low to high. Now, some of these are sale. These looks like, yeah, so some of these you have to buy, but you might find something worth it. Now here, let me just go back to that real quick. Let's say you're building a funnel for somebody. Okay. Like, let's say you find one you really like. Maybe it's this one or this one. It's $37. You could download this funnel, change the text, add in the images and the branding, and sell this funnel for $500 or $1,000. So that's another cool thing with ClickFunnels too, is that's called a share funnel. But that's how you would find additional funnels, all right, for free. And that's how you get all your landing pages. So I promised you a bonus down below, guys. I do have a link for a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. Click below and you can access ClickFunnels for free for 14 days. You can try out all these different landing pages, see what you like, enjoy them. You'll also get an email from me, guys, once you sign up. And I will have some bonuses in there for you as well. Access to a free ClickFunnels training, and some free funnels for you guys as well. So thank you so much if you do sign up. I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Been using the software for several years. Thank you so much. Please click, subscribe, share. Have a good day.